right now, here is coming down hard as hell. Monsoon season, the storm is pounding my roof. Looks like it's leaving on dents in there. See the dents? Right there in my awning. I had to move my table out of the way so I can get my car up inside of here. I don't want to have hail damage on it. And it is pounding the heck out of my awning. I hope my back window on my truck is okay. I value my car here more than my truck anyway. And it's just coming down really hard. It's thundering, it's lightning. You can see the hail on the ground. It's pounding. We got flash flood warnings coming also. It's pretty hot out. It's 100 degrees outside right now. It's what, at least what the temperature in my truck said. And boy, look at that. The wind. It's blowing so hard. Crazy weather. Broke my tree over there. And it's not hailing as much. This whole area was covered with hail. It's starting to melt because of the heat, I guess. Crazy weather. It's getting cooler out now too, that's for sure. I just hope my back window of my truck holds up because it's coming from the south there. Crazy. You still see hail and bouncing on the ground out there. Little white dots. They're about the size of marbles. First started coming down, it was coming down really hard. One hit me in the head when I was running out to move my truck so I'd get that table out. And it was pounding that table, it was bouncing off like boing, boing. But that table's plastic. And the wind is crazy. But at least so you know I don't get hail damage on my car though. Crazy. The hail is stopping. Have some hitting every now and then, but yeah, and it's coming down so hard it's ended up my awning up there. That river will be flooded soon. I already see water starting to go down it. I don't know what the wind speed is, but it's blowing pretty good and the thundering pretty loud and lightning. See the dents up there in the awning? It's dented up my awning pretty good. Well, it's really coming down now. It's hailing again. Oh my God. It's starting to hail more. You see it bouncing around on the ground out there. I got no choice. I got no way to protect it. Your car is fine. My truck's blocking. Talking to my wife. Yeah, it's coming from the south. You see the hail bouncing off the ground over there? That's crazy. They were saying on the news that flash flood warning in my area. My neighbor, she ran outside to move her car under the carport. Her truck slipped out in the open there. I don't see any more hail, I just see the rain now. Alright, well, unless it starts hailing again, I'll do some more recording, but for now, I'm good.